my boyfriend.
It's coming back.
You fucking lucky. You gotta see it go, come back, go.
No, it just wants to disconnect from its carriages, look.
Lol, he said fuck you.
It's not called a train anymore, it's just a loco now.
Yeah, but it's moving, so now it's locomotive. Okay, stop moving, now it's locostatic. That's it. It's locostatic now. There's also a loco farting.
This is a train that inspired Percy. This was a train that inspired Percy from Thomas the Tank Engine.
I'm not so clear. There's a Thomas the Tank Engine.
Changing carriage. I think they're pulling it away.
Maybe. Or maybe they're trying to put that at the front. Ever think of that? That they could just want to put it at the front.
Probably. Nope, they're refilling it.
There we go. You good now? Or? You fucking train now.
Do you know if there's any abandoned architecture around Bodmin?
No, I know. Unless you count the crappy